Hello everyone, I'm Vay Palwal and you are watching Autocar Society. So today I also have a lot of news from the Automobile Society, but before we begin, make sure to follow us on Instagram as we are posting interesting content there every day. So without any further, let's get started. Starting with some of the more interesting news, Rolls-Royce just announced their new car, which is the new Rolls-Royce Boattail. It is a 6-meter long grand tour with a removable canopy roof and something called a hosting suite. Well, we'll be talking about this hosting suite in a minute, but let's talk about the car itself first. Now, the car is actually inspired by the boat design. Rolls-Royce has made it clear in their media reveal. Now, further noticing, the car also has some wooden trims outside the car as well as inside the car. Now, the front of the car is more or less gets inspired from the new Phantom 8, but a little bit redesigned. Under the hood, this car gets the Rolls-Royce V12 engine. Now, more information about the engine specs is not been out by the Rolls-Royce yet, but will be coming out really soon. Talking about the price of the car cost around $28 million, or for the Indian consumers, it is around 200 crore rupees. Now, one of this car is already bought by Jay-Z and Beyonce, but there will be only 3 cars made for the entire world. Moving towards the rear of the car, this car houses a hosting suite, as I mentioned earlier. Well, this actually contains a whole lot of, the independent hosting suite is equipped with silverware, cutlery, 2 fold output picnic tables, and two refrigerators. I'm sure it will also be stacked with the world's most extravagant liquors. Now, for more luxury, this car also houses an umbrella. Now, the whole dining set is actually placed at an angle of 15 degrees to give you that pleasant view. Now, I won't be going in detail about this car. I'll be making a separate video about this car, so make sure to get subscribed for that. Now, moving towards the next news. Moving to some more interesting news, BMW just announced their X7 M50D Dark Show Edition for India as well. Now, this car is limited to only 500 units worldwide, and the costing of this car is around 2.02 crore rupees as a base variant. It can go further if you choose some more options which will be coming with the car. Now, talking about some of the changes in the car. Now, for the wheels, this SUV gets 22-inch M-Lite alloy wheels in a V-spoke design, exclusive to this limited edition model only. The wheels come with a jet black matte finish and fitted with mixed tires. The M Sport package also comes as a standard feature. Talking about the interior of the car, the interior of the SUV is spacious with some touch of exclusivity. The full leather upholstery comes in a night black or blue edition with a two-tone with contrasting seams, as does the BMW Individuals roofliner in night blue with Alcantara finish. The 3-row SUV with the 6-seater configuration includes captain seats in the second row. The front seats have electrically adjustable comfortable seats with memory functions. The X70 M50D Dark Show Edition also boasts with a large panoramic sunroof that extends till the third row. I'm talking about the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. There's a 12.3-inch digital instrument display behind the steering wheel, as well as a 12.3-inch infotainment system inside the cabin of the SUV. The display features 3D navigation, BMW gesture controls, BMW display key, wireless charging, and wireless Apple CarPlay, as well as the Android Auto connectivity. The car also comes standard with 16-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system as well. The BMW Dark Show Edition SUV is powered by a 3-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine is capable of giving 400 horsepower and a maximum of 760 Nm of torque. The SUV can go from 0 to 100 in about 5.4 seconds. Now let's moving on to the next news. And for the next news, Geneva International Motor Show returns for 2022. After 2 years of corona-induced cancellation, the Geneva International Motor Show is scheduled to return in February 2022. Show organizers confirmed Thursday in a press release. Press day for 2022 Geneva Auto Show, the 91st edition, are scheduled for Feb 17 and 18. Now the show will be open to the public on Feb 19 to 27. Organizers are now asking exhibitors to register for the show, setting a deadline of mid-July 2021 for registration. But the show's return is still contingent of the pandemic situation. And now for the next news. Tata Altroz and Nexon are about to get Indian language voice assistant features. Yes, Tata Voice Assistant now gets support for English inputs as well. This is actually developed by Maya Communication, a Kolkata-based startup, and Harman International. The partnership aims to enhance user experience in Tata cars and SUVs, and bridge the gap between native speaking users and providing access to innovation. Now, Tamil and Bengali language will also be added soon. Currently, this is available to selected trims in Altroz and Nexon. Now, for the next news, Hyundai is launching an in-car payment system for all the electric Ioniq 5s. Hyundai developed an in-car payment system that will debut in its upcoming all-electric Ioniq 5. That will offer the driver the ability to find and pay EV charging, food, and parking, the latest example of automakers finding new ways to generate revenue. and offer customers features that are typically associated with the smartphones. Now for the two-wheeler news, Yamaha get the name Tracer trademarked in India. Tracer is actually a sports tourer from Yamaha Motorcycles, but previously available in international market, but will be coming to Indian market really shortly. Now for the next news, Ducati DML 1260 might be coming to India really shortly, as the company is now teasing its photos on its Twitter handle. The new Ducati DML 1260 will be coming with a BS6 engine. And now for the next news, Benelli expected to launch a new fully faired sports bike in India, which will be on the same platform as the Leonco 500. The bike is supposed to get the same 500cc parallel twin engine, which will be making 47.5 PS power and 46 Newton meters of torque. Now more news on the bike will be coming really shortly. Moving to the next news, CF Moto will be launching its new 650cc bikes in India in this week. CF Moto confirms its 650 NK, 650 GT and 650 MT in the new BS6 version to be launched in India in this week. All the three bikes will be coming out with the normal 649cc parallel twin liquid cooled engine, which will be putting out 60 horsepower and 56 Newton meters of torque. And yes, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with your friends, and I'll watch you guys in the next video.